Hi friends, in this video is going to show if it is automatically restarting, just do the power off, go to power option and turn off. If you are not able to turn off this, right, if it is restarting completely, just hold this PS button for some seconds, then you can see this power option. Then just come down and tap on this X button, you can see the turn off button. Even it is not turned off, right, you need to hold this power button for some seconds, then automatically it will be turned off, or you need to unplug. Once it turned off, right, what you need to do is whatever connected to your PS4 console, you need to unplug it. It might be overheated, so just unplug this, unplug whatever you have. Next, unplug this HDMI cable from TV and the power button. So you need to leave it PS4 or PS Pro console for some minutes. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So I'm going to leave it to 5 to 10 minutes. So after 15 minutes, right, so what I am going to do is, again, I'm going to plug it. So I'm going to plug this, and you need to have this USB cable. You need to have this USB cable to connect your DualShock controller, because I'm going to restart this in safe mode. So I'm going to do that. So I plug this HDMI cable for TV and the power cable, I have attached it. So now I'm going to restart in safe mode. Leave it. If you have any external disk, just leave it, don't plug it. Then this is the power button, right? I need to hold it for 7 seconds. Then I should hear 2 beep sounds to get a safe mode. So hold it for 7 seconds. So I'm going to pressing. So I'm going to press this for 7 seconds. 1 sound. I have to hear another beep sound. So 2 beep sounds, I heard it. Then I'm going to check on my TV. So now it is in safe mode. It is saying connect the DualShock 4 using the USB cable, and then press the PS button. So you should have this USB cable. So I'm going to attach it into controller. So I'm going to attach it into the controller. Attached it. Then inserting this USB into console. So attached. So once attached, right, I'm taking my PS4 controller, press this PS button. So you can see this option, restart. So this is a gentle restart. So I'm going to do that. Restart my console. Enter by pressing X. So it should be restarted. Then your automatically restarting issue will be resolved. So I'm going to press this PS button. So now the automatic restart loop issue is resolved, because your PS4 console might be overheated and it stopped the PS4 for automatic restart. So this is the way you can fix the issue for PS4 automatic restarting. Once the issue is resolved, right, you can connect your external hard drive to play your games. So I'm going to remove this DualShock controller, which I have plugged, and you can attach this USB drive on your PS4 console. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye.